have in front of me an Easy by Dahua 4-channel network CCTV recording kit. It includes 4 2-megapixel IP cameras and a 1 terabyte hard drive. You can give up to about 7 days of recording time on it. The actual kit itself is complete in terms of everything you need. When you go to set this up, all you need to do is just scan the QR code on the unit to load it onto your app. So the setup for remote viewing, we say on a smartphone or tablet, probably in the region of about 4 to 5 minutes. And we have a very detailed video that gives a step-by-step guide exactly what you need to do, which obviously is a strong point of us here at freetv.ie. Now it's important to note that the NVR itself is actually a 5 megapixel, so it's capable of supporting much more powerful cameras than this. But 2 megapixel is probably reasonably standard in the industry now. It's the equivalent of a high definition TV channel. But we'll say if you wanted to add on 2 extra channel cameras to it, possibly to cover a driveway or something like that, you could add in a 4 or 5 megapixel camera, and the NVR itself would support it with no huge difficulty. So what exactly do you get? Well, you get the NVR itself, which you can see in front of us here, and there's all the 4 ports in the back that are all PoE. So it means that you can just use the LAN cable here to connect directly over to the camera. So it's running the picture back but also powering the camera, so you don't need local power sources, which makes the setup extremely easy. Once you plug these in, we'll have a guides on it just about it, but what we do is you just plug the camera in, you bring it up, you add the next camera on, plug it in, all the rest of it here. And once you have it addressed and are systematic like that, adding the cameras on one by one, it'll work in terms of it'll have time to assign the IP addresses, and it'll work extremely well for you. So overall, we'll say Dahua is a very powerful brand within the CCTV industry. It's in the top 2 companies in the world. It normally specializes in high-end commercial units, but it also has the Easy range here, which is priced extremely attractively with great ease of setup, and it's aimed primarily at the domestic or small commercial users. In terms of, is it possible to set something like this and install it in a DIY manner? It is, simply because the hard thing used to be configuring to run on your phone, setting up static IP addresses, but all that is gone now in terms of it's just a scan of your phone and effectively have it up and viewing, and you can see the associated video just to see how easy that is. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Easy by Dahua 4-channel network CCTV system available with free delivery from freetv.ie.